artist who is acting on Reaching to the Stars. We have Isran here with us. So Isran, can you let us know a little bit about yourself and your role in the movie?
Hi everyone, my name is Varan. Okay, my role is actually a negative character, is the villain to finish someone by my boss instructed. So I do take a lot of things on the villain role, which is my first time experience. And it's a really how to say a toughest character for me because I am not a real life. I'm not a villain. I just joke, smile, make everyone happy. But negative role something new for me, and I really try my best to act, finish it off.
Okay, so this is the first experience for you to be in acting, and how did Aarti, the director, actually help you in it?
Actually, to be honest, she's really a teacher, you can say, because I do a lot of mistake, and she really got a patience and encourage me, and also keep on take until satisfied. I know I feel myself. So I really suffered, but almost some of the scene, almost I didn't notice. I didn't know anyone noticed. I did literally tears. I just keep quiet to myself, but I was confident. Okay, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I really do it.
That's really good. So, what experience, good memories do you have from the movie that you like to take away?
Okay, good memory first. I only tell main is the hot sun. The hot sun shooting is really I can say nightmare for me because hot sun, some more bites, and behind come dangerous creatures all around. So also a bit scary, but no choice. Don't know when the thing will come out. I still outside, inside. When my turn, go to the thing when come out. What? So prepare to run away. So I somehow, even though I was shooting also, I was keep on looking whether anything coming out, suspicious character coming out or not. But and also makan, and we like normally when I working my line, we got you go eat, go eat. But I see her like we eat as a family. I can say like a family. We really eat, we really enjoy. All the manners I learned from here.
So it looks like a really good memory, despite it being the first time that you're actually acting.
Yes.
It's a good takeaway. So what do you hope for the future?
Future I can tell maybe I want to act more with the science production, and also maybe can be any other drama in future. With good luck or what depends.
Okay. Thanks very much, Isran, for giving us that interview.
Okay, thank you.
So, signing off.